guys, we'll be drawing Professor X from PowerPuff Girls, and let's get started with the body, which is just a rectangle. So I'm doing the top of the hair, which is a triangle, and then the side of the hair, a triangle, the eyebrows, and then the nose and the mouth. Alright, now the bottom of the face, we just draw a straight line. Then make the shoulders and the arms. Alright, now we're going to close the inside of the arm and add the hands. Okay, now we do a curve for the middle, and then the tie and the pins, his pants and shoes. Alright, now just go over with marker. Last but not least, erase all the pencil marks. Go ahead and hit the like button if you liked the video, and to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.